Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Yes, it's me, Shadow. So it is, what time is it? Oh, did not expect that. Okay, it is 9:57 a.m. It's almost 10 o'clock. We're waiting for the sirens to go off. Don't worry, this is just a test. Okay, so I don't know where I'm gonna sit. This is pretty cool. So we're just gonna wait for 10 a.m. and in the meantime, I just want to say thank you for subscribing to the channel. This month is the month where the supersonic, wait, what's it called? Oh, the Summer Sonic Squad. So we have 10 subscribers, which means 10 people have joined the squad. Now, when it's over, that doesn't mean you unsubscribe. You have to subscribe like fully, cause we're still new. We started back in May, and we don't have a lot of oh flip! There's a dog. Anyways, so it is now 9:58. So 2 more minutes, guys, and then the sirens will go off. And today is Tuesday, so yeah. So yesterday was our dog's birthday, but make sure to go check out Tails' birthday. And we told you that we in like the day after Sonic's Crush, we did another video. Sonic told you that he was sorry that we didn't do Tails' birthday. We'll do it sometime this year, and apparently we did. We did it the other day, or was it yesterday? Oh, it was the other day. So yeah, just waiting for the sirens to go off in 1 minute, cause it is 9:59 now. Oh, this is so exciting. I cannot wait. So I should probably take a place. Like, okay, I'll sit here. All right. So let's just go ahead and wait. There they go. Oh geez, messing up hearing. This happens every Tuesday. Yeet! Oh my yeet, that was loud. These sirens are coming from the dog park we go to. Oh flip, that was so loud. Now it sounds like a plane is going away. We still hear it. Now that's a plane. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I'm Shadow the Hedgehog, and we'll see you guys again soon. Goodbye.